Hey, it's Amira Blake, and if you're investing in the Iraqi Dinar or the Iraqi Stock Exchange, stop scrolling and tune in. Because something massive is unfolding. JPMorgan, the biggest bank in America, is shifting its strategy in a way that confirms everything we've been watching in Iraq for the past decade. This isn't theory, it's confirmation, and the smartest investors will know exactly how to use it. Let's start with what's official. JP Morgan has restructured its private banking division. They're done focusing on your average millionaire. Now they've zeroed in on clients with $10 million or more in global assets. They've promoted David Frame to lead this push as global head of private banking, and they've stopped treating wealth as something local. If you've got 10 million plus, you're now part of one global wealth network, served without borders. They've also built elite banking hubs for people with as little as $750,000 in investable assets. These centers are already popping up in high net worth U.S. cities and are designed to manage money internationally across currencies, markets, and risk profiles. Translation: they're helping clients protect and move wealth with a global mindset. Now, here's where it gets relevant for dinarians and ISX investors. This pivot proves that capital is going global, and JP Morgan is leading that charge. Their own research confirms the US dollar is on shaky ground, and they're telling their wealthiest clients to diversify into foreign assets, real estate, and gold. But here's what most people don't know. JP Morgan has been quietly setting up shop in Iraq for years. Back in 2006, JP Morgan helped restructure Iraq's trade bank during the post-war rebuild. Since then, they've maintained low-profile advisory roles with Iraq's Ministry of Finance and state-owned banks. In 2018, they helped facilitate a major energy payment deal between Iraq and foreign oil companies through a custodial escrow arrangement. And even more recently, they've been involved in dinar-related dollar clearing mechanisms and cross-border payment infrastructure discussions. They're not waving a flag about it, but make no mistake, JP Morgan has boots on the ground and fingers in the pot when it comes to Iraq's financial future. So when they restructure their entire global private banking system and tell their elite clients to look outside the US, that includes Iraq. The country's stock market, currency reform, and natural resource base make it one of the most undervalued but strategic zones for early positioning. Let me break this down in simple terms. Number one, the ultra-wealthy are diversifying into real assets, foreign currencies, and emerging markets. If you're holding dinar or Iraqi stocks, you're already in position before the floodgates open. Number two, they're thinking globally. JP Morgan's elite clients aren't loyal to the dollar. They're loyal to value. And Iraq, still underpriced, still building, offers massive upside when reforms and infrastructure align. Number three, while most people aren't using AI yet, JP Morgan is testing advanced wealth optimization tools right now. Those tools are coming to the masses next. Learning how to use them to track cross-border wealth, currency shifts, and foreign stock markets? That's how you build wealth in silence. Then let the results speak. So what does this mean for the future? It means the door to Iraq is already open, and elite capital is already studying it. The question is, will you move before they do or after? This video is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just here to connect the dots and break it down in plain English. You are fully responsible for your own research and decisions. If this gave you something real to think about, like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so you're always first to know when we drop a video. Leave a comment below and I'll personally follow up in a future post. I'm Amira Blake. Whether you've got a few $100s or 10 million, the future belongs to those who study moves like this and think with a billionaire mindset, even on a budget. Stay global, stay strategic, and stay ahead.